Understanding the phrase, birth year. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into a simple yet essential phrase in the English language, birth year. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Birth year is a combination of two words, birth and year. Birth. This refers to the event of being born, the beginning of life. Year. This represents a period of time, specifically 365 days, or 366 in a leap year. When combined, birth year refers to the specific year in which someone was born. For example, if someone says, "My birth year is 1990, it means they were born in the year 1990. Knowing someone's birth year can help you. 1. Determine their age. By subtracting their birth year from the current year, you can find out how old they are. 2. Understand cultural or generational references. Different generations often have different experiences, and knowing someone's birth year can give you insight into the events and cultural phenomena they might relate to. 3. Fill out official forms. Many documents, such as passports or driver's licenses, require you to provide your birth year. 1. What is your birth year? A simple question asking someone when they were born. 2. Many people from my birth year remember watching the 2012 Olympics on TV. Using the term to make a cultural reference. 3. On this form, you need to fill in your birth year in the designated box. Instructing someone on how to complete a document. And there you have it. The phrase, birth year, is simple, but it's essential in various conversations and situations. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!